In the lush, verdant valleys of an enchanted Caribbean island, there reigned a queen named Aliah, known for her wisdom and the lustrous pearl that hung around her neck, a symbol of the island's prosperity. However, peace was shattered when a treacherous sorcerer, envious of the island's riches, conjured a storm that swept Aliah away to a distant, foggy shore. Lost but undeterred, Queen Aliah discovered that the sorcerer had taken over her kingdom, masking it in perpetual gloom. The once vibrant isle lay silent, its people hidden from sight, and its colours stolen by dark magic. The queen knew she must reclaim her realm and restore its former glory. Armed only with her wit and the guidance of an old sea turtle who knew the water's secrets, Aliah embarked on her quest. She sailed through archipelagos where dolphins whispered of the sorcerer's weakness, and jungles where parrots squawked tales of hidden paths back to her kingdom. One moonlit night, Aliah reached her shores, her heart pounding with both fear and fervour. Using the pearl's radiant light, which illuminated the path through the darkness, she confronted the sorcerer at the heart of her once vibrant palace. Through clever riddles and daring challenges, she exploited the sorcerer's arrogance, tricking him into undoing his own spells. With the sorcerer's defeat, the gloom lifted, revealing the kingdom's true beauty once more. Aliah's people emerged from hiding, their spirits as bright as the restored colours of their land. Queen. Aliah's legend spread across the seas, a tale of resilience and intellect, reminding all who heard it that even in the darkest times, courage and wisdom could restore light to the world.